Welcome to Hands-On Biology, Immunity Explained in 6 Minutes lesson. Meaning of immunity. Immunity is the body's ability to defend itself against infections by destroying disease-causing organisms called pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa. A person with strong immunity can resist diseases more easily. Imagine your body as a fortress, always ready to battle invading enemies. These enemies are called pathogens. Key terms. Antigen. A foreign substance, e.g. virus, bacterium, toxin, that triggers the immune system to produce antibodies. Antibody. A specific protein produced by the body to neutralize a particular antigen. Vaccine. A preparation of weakened or dead pathogens used to stimulate active immunity without causing the disease. Immunity is grouped into innate immunity and adaptive, acquired immunity. Let me explain. Innate immunity, natural, non-specific immunity. This is the immunity a person is born with. It responds to any kind of pathogen immediately, but in a general, non-specific way. Key features. Present at birth. Fast. Acts within minutes. Does not target one specific germ. Does not produce memory. Components of immune system. Physical barriers. These prevent pathogens from entering the body. Did you know? Your skin is the largest security guard of your body, blocking millions of germs every day. Skin acts as a tough protective layer. Cuts or wounds reduce this protection. Example. Skin stops bacteria on surfaces from entering the body. Mucus, sticky fluid in the nose and throat, traps dust and microbes. Example, mucus traps bacteria when breathing polluted air. Cilia, tiny hair-like structures that push mucus out of the respiratory tract. Example, cilia move trapped dust upward, preventing lung infections. Your immune system is like a superhero team. Each hero has a special skill to protect you. Chemical barriers. These kill microbes. Tears and saliva contain lysozyme, an enzyme that breaks bacterial cell walls. Example, tears kill bacteria that enter the eye. Stomach acid, very acidic, and kills germs found in contaminated food or water. Example, most foodborne bacteria die in the stomach. Cellular defenses.
Phagocytes, a type of white blood cell that swallows and digests pathogens. Example, phagocytes engulf bacteria that enter through a wound. Physiological responses, inflammation, redness and swelling around a cut, increases blood flow to bring more white blood cells. When you get a cut and it turns red, relax. That's your immune army rushing to the battlefield. Example, a swollen cut on the skin shows inflammation fighting infection. Fever. Rise in body temperature to slow the growth of pathogens. Example, when sick, a fever helps the body kill viruses faster. Fever may make you feel terrible, but guess what? It's a powerful weapon your body uses to burn out germs. Adaptive immunity, acquired, specific immunity. This immunity develops after birth when the body's exposed to pathogens or vaccines. It is called specific because the response is directed at one particular pathogen. Key features: not present at birth, develops over time, slower response, days, produces memory cells leading to long-term immunity, highly specific. How it works: a pathogen enters the body. The body recognizes its antigens. The immune system produces activated cells and specific antibodies to fight that antigen. Memory cells remain and respond faster during a future infection. Example, once you recover from chickenpox, your body remembers the virus and prevents it from infecting you again. Memory cells are like intelligent students. Once they learn a pathogen, they never forget it. Types of adaptive immunity. Active immunity. The body produces its own antibodies after encountering antigens. Natural active immunity develops after natural infection. Example, after recovering from measles, the body becomes immune. Artificial active immunity, gained through vaccination. Vaccines contain weakened or dead pathogens. They stimulate the body to make antibodies. Vaccines train your immune system the same way practice trains a football team, so they're ready to win when the real opponent attacks. Examples: polio vaccine, measles vaccine, tetanus vaccine. Characteristics: slow to develop, long-lasting.
Memory cells form. Passive immunity. Ready-made antibodies are given to the body. Natural passive immunity. Antibodies are passed from mother to baby. Examples: through the placenta during pregnancy, through breast milk, colostrum. Mothers are superheroes too. They share ready-made antibodies with their babies to keep them safe. Artificial passive immunity. Antibodies are injected into the body. Examples: anti-snake venom, anti-rabies serum, tetanus anti-serum. Characteristics: provides immediate protection, short-lived, no memory cells formed, poor nutrition, lack of proteins, vitamins, A, C, D, and minerals like zinc and iron. Strong immunity starts with you. What you eat, how you sleep, and how clean you keep yourself matters a lot. Lack of sleep, the body fails to repair and make enough immune cells. Stress. Long-term stress reduces white blood cell activity. Smoking damages the lungs and reduces immune cell function. Excessive alcohol weakens white blood cells and liver function. Certain diseases, e.g., HIV/AIDS, diabetes, cancer. Aging immune cells become fewer and slower. Some medications, e.g., steroids, chemotherapy drugs. Poor hygiene allows more germs to enter the body. Lack of exercise reduces blood circulation and immune activity. Dehydration reduces the ability of the body to transport nutrients and immune cells. Exposure to harmful chemicals, e.g., pesticides and industrial chemicals. Innate immunity is the type of immunity that is present at birth and provides an immediate response to pathogens. It is not specific to any particular pathogen and therefore offers general protection. Innate immunity does not produce memory cells, so its protection is short-term. Examples include the skin, mucus, and phagocytic cells. In contrast, adaptive immunity is not present at birth and develops slowly after exposure to a specific pathogen. It is highly specific and produces memory cells, which allow the body to respond more quickly upon future exposure to the same pathogen. Because of these memory cells, adaptive immunity is long-lasting. Examples include immunity gained from the measles vaccine and immunity developed after recovering from an infection. So remember, immunity is not just a body function. It's your personal defense force keeping you alive every second.